Hi, I'm Kevin. Nice to see you again. Today we're fixing some cool and refreshing blueberry bars. Here are the blueberries. I actually published this recipe over on my website about 5 years ago, and it was a big hit. Anyway, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 13 baking dish. Now I'm going to mix the crust with the help of a food processor, but if you don't have a food processor, go ahead and mix entirely by hand. So into the food processor goes 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using kosher salt. Also add 1 cup of regular granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In you go. We also need the zest of 1 lemon. Okay, and we need 2 sticks of diced butter, and I put mine in the refrigerator, so hold on a sec. Don't go away! Yeah, I prepared this earlier and I realized the butter was going to melt because it's a very hot and humid day here. Just scatter the butter about. And then put the lid on. We're going to pulse this just until the mixture becomes crumbly. Let's have a look. Yep, looks good. This is what you're aiming for. You'll see little bits of butter mixed in with the flour. Then put the lid on it again and add through the feed tube 1 large beaten egg. And then pulse again just until the egg gets mixed in. Yeah, we're good. Okay, let me get my baking dish ready and then we'll continue. Okay, going to remove the blade here and then pour half of the mixture into the greased baking dish. A little more. And then spread it out. And then press it down with your knuckles. Your impeccably clean knuckles, I might add. You want a very firm bottom crust. Is that half? Well, maybe I'll add a little more. Spread it around. Press. This is real live baking here. Okay, we're good. Now let's make the filling. Alright, to make the filling, tip a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar into a medium bowl. Then add 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. Sorry, it's humid here, so my cornstarch is sticking to its little pot. And then you want to whisk the sugar and cornstarch together. And then add the juice from the lemon that you previously zested. And I'm using my little Mexican lemon lime juicer here. It's a nifty little machine. Yeah, so that's the juice from the whole lemon. The lemon is one aspect of the blueberry bars that makes them so refreshing. And then I'm going to stir that into the sugar and cornstarch. And then add the 4 cups of blueberries. These blueberries came from a local farm. They were probably picked just this morning. And then toss them about so that they're coated with the sugar, cornstarch, and lemon. Oh, be sure to use a blue spatula because it is very important to remain color coordinated. Okay, we're mixed enough. Move this aside. Then grab your baking dish with the bottom crust. Add the blueberries. Yum. One of them escaped. Spread them around as evenly as possible. Okay. I have a little more of this sugary mixture here. Throw that in. And then add the remaining crust. If you have any pieces that have clumped together, just break them up with your fingers. And then spread it about. Okay. We're done. Wipe your hands on a blue towel. And then this goes into the preheated oven until the top just starts to color. That's going to take about 45 minutes, so we'll be back. Okay, here it is, fresh out of the oven. As you can see, the top crust has browned lightly, and the blueberry mixture is bubbling. I'm going to let this cool on a wire rack for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and pop it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Then we can have a taste. See you in a bit. Okay, the bars have chilled, and now it's time to taste of one, or a dozen. Let me show you. I've already cut the dessert into little squares. When you cut them, use either a plastic knife or a firm plastic spatula. I use the plastic spatula for these. Now let's take out a corner and have a close-up. Look at this. So you can eat these out of hand. They're perfect for a picnic. To your health. They taste like sunshine. They're also cold and refreshing. The blueberry flavor is prominent, and then there's the hint of lemon, and the crust on the bottom is crunchy, and the top crust is almost like a streusel. Don't make me beg you to try these. And by the way, I really wish you were here to help me eat these. So good. So please give them a try, and you'll find the printable recipe over on my website. So I will link that down in the description box below. What else did I want to tell you? Oh yes. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please tap the little bell icon to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And I will see you very soon. Oh, please leave a comment on my videos because I love hearing from you. Go make these, okay? Totally delicious. I'll see you next time. Bye. Heaven help me, I'm going to eat this whole pan. Okay, bye.